Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I want to use some things that I found at the Target dollar spot today. So I found this set of 8 note cards that says "You are one in a melon." Super cute. Look at the envelopes. And then I found these sticky notes, the melon and a little square with confetti there. I found these paper clips. I'm going to use the one with the piece of watermelon. And then I'm going to use some of this. These are little goodie bags, but I thought I would just cut them up to use as full boxes. And then I have these coasters that are a watermelon slice. So I just thought they're super cute. I pulled out a couple washi sheets that I thought would work well. A chevron and a stripe, and these are recollections. And then I have my stickers here from Mambi, so I'm gonna may pull things from that as well. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we'll get started. Alright guys, so here's my final spread. I think it turned out super pretty. I just love the combination of the colors. They're just bright and summery, and I just fell in love with these elements that I had found at the Target dollar spot. So hopefully you can find them at your Target dollar spot, and I hope that this gave you inspiration to do a planner spread with them. So yeah, I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.